to my YouTube channel. This is Dee-wisecradts YouTube channel. So now I'll be teaching you how to make plaster for your autogele. How do you make your autogele plaster? The material we need is your velcro. We need a velcro, which is this. This is what they call velcro or plaster. So after getting your plaster, you also get these pieces, 3 inches. You cut out 3 inches in 2 places, 3 inches in 2 places. So the next thing to do is to fold this way. You also fold this way. You also fold this way. After folding, then you bring the two together. Can you see? You bring it together like this. You bring it together to form this. So after forming this, then you take it to the machine. Sew from this side, sew down, and top stitch. You don't need to sew down this way. Just sew here and sew down. So I'll go ahead and do that. Then I'll do the same thing to the second one. Like I said earlier, you fold this side, you fold in, then fold the second side, fold in, then bring the two together. Bring together. Bring together. Then you take it to your machine, sew here and sew down. So after doing that, this is what we have. So we'll go ahead and lay our plaster on this frame. This is the plaster frame. So we'll go ahead, lay it on the frame. I love to make it slim. I don't like it too big. That's why I use 3 inches. So I'll make sure it's not at the edge. I'll give it like half an inch space. Can you see? Half an inch space. Then I'll go ahead and sew, 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 and sew. So after sewing, this is what you have. I'll go ahead and do the same on this. Remember, the rough side will be up. Then give it some space here. It should not be at the edge. Give it some space, like half an inch. Then sew down, So side down, side up. So we have our plaster. That's how to make your autogele plaster. So this is ready to be attached to your base. Thank you for watching. Thank you.